Listen up, students. Life has its twist and turn, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
We don't get to pick where we start, the hurdles we face, or the judgment thrown our way. But guess what? That doesn't define us. We might not control the opening chapter of our story, but here is the powerful truth. The ending, that's entirely within our grasp. Within these walls, you can script your own narrative, define your path, and shape your destiny. But it is not just about the destination. It is about the journey, the growth, and the transformation.
Introducing Kasneb, your gateway to a world of possibilities. Kasneb offers world-class qualifications in accounting, fraud investigations, management and governance, credit management, investment and financial analysis, ICT, and quality management. Visit www.kasneb.or.ke and enroll today. Kasneb, shaping futures, transforming lives.